Hello, I'm Cal Banyan. I am the head of the Path International Association of Hypnosis Professionals. And from time to time, people say, is hypnosis and hypnotherapy a good profession for me? I said, well, it's really up to you. By the way, what's the difference between professional hypnotist and hypnotherapist? It really depends on the laws of your state. In most states, or many states now, you call yourself a hypnotherapist if you are a licensed medical or mental health professional, and you call yourself a professional hypnotist if you are someone that does not have that licensure. For example, when I was in Minnesota, the laws were different, and I was a hypnotherapist. By the way, I have a master's degree in psychology, but I'm not a licensed psychologist. And when I moved to California, I was still a hypnotherapist. And that's after 20 years, I moved to now Dallas, Texas, and I'm now a hypnotist. I still do all the things I did before, even better than before because of my experience and the developments that we've had in the profession. But I'm no longer a hypnotherapist, I'm a hypnotist. It's more of a legal thing than a training thing or even a what you do things. So I want to invite you to go to Banyan Hypnosis Career Training and get the inside scoop on what it really takes to become a hypnosis professional. If you've got heart, you really want to help people, and you got some stick-to-itiveness, and you're willing to go through the best training possible, then go through our training, and then you'll become a member of the very best support system in the world for hypnotists and hypnotherapists. I hope to see you in class. Cal Banyan, signing off.